Chapter 1. Where to look from. Objects looks from different sides. Here, two friends have drawn a picture of the same motor car. We have to see whether both these pictures look the same or not. Look at this picture the first friend has drawn. In this picture, the motor car looks like a small box kept in a big box, and the picture drawn by the other friend looks like this. So friends, both these pictures appear to be different, but if you observe them carefully, you will notice that in the first picture, the motor car is seen from the terrace, and in the second picture, it is seen from the side. From this, you will understand that when the things are viewed from different sides, they will look different. Here, the different views of the motor car are shown. That is, when it is viewed from the top, from the side, from the front, and from the back. Look at some pictures shown here. See how these things will look when they are viewed from the top. Look at the cooker shown here. If you look at it from the top, it will look like this. The second picture is that of a slipper. If it is viewed from the top, it will look like this. In the third picture, you can see a fruit. When it is looked at from the top, it will look like this. The fourth one is a small cupboard, which when viewed from the top will look like this. The fifth picture is that of a laptop. If you look at it from the top, it will look like this. Example. Some pictures are shown here. Find out from where do you have to look to see the things this way. Look here. The first picture is that of a staircase. If we look at the staircase from the side, it will look like this. The second picture is that of a table. If you look at it from the top, then only it will look like this. The third picture is a pencil. See, if we look at it from the top, then it will look like this. Self-study. Rangoli. Friends, have you ever made rangoli? Do your mother or sister make rangoli in Diwali in front of your house of this type? We make rangoli only in Diwali. But do you know, there is a state where the rangoli is made every day. The name of the state is Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, there is a tradition of making rangoli every morning in the front yard of the house. The rangoli is made by using colors and flowers. They make rangoli by using the dots. Rangoli means beautiful patterns. Observe the rangoli shown here very carefully. Here, to make the patterns, dots are given. Also, two samples of rangoli are drawn. How are these patterns made? Let's have a look at it once again. Example. Here, with the help of some dots, different shapes are drawn. You have to draw these shapes once again. You can see here that in some shapes there are straight lines while some shapes do not have them. Observe the rangoli shown here. The shape shown in red color has only straight lines, while the shape in green color has curved lines. And the shape shown in blue color has both curved and straight lines. Self-study. Example. On the dot grid given here, draw the pictures of the given objects. First, a kite. Second, a leaf. Third, a flower. Solution. First, a kite. To draw the kite, we will draw the lines like this. Second, do you remember? How does a leaf look like? Yes, like this. We can draw a leaf like this. Third, to draw a flower, we need to draw the lines like this. Self-study. Mirror halves. Tit for tat. One day, Amina met a painter. Can you draw my picture? Yes, sure. I will charge rupees 200 for it. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. Amina, how do you like it? Oh, but it is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So, to get the complete picture, keep a mirror next to it. Will I get my money now? Amina gave him a 100-rupee note. But this is only half the amount. The other half is exactly the same. So, to get the full amount, place a mirror next to the note. Ha ha ha! So, we can say that the picture and the note, when seen in the mirror, will look the same as they are. The same painter has drawn many more such pictures, in which he has drawn only one half of the things. You have to draw the other half of the pictures and find out what these objects are. Look at the picture obtained by drawing the remaining parts of the first picture. Do you recognize this? Yes, it's a butterfly. If the remaining half of the second picture is drawn, we get a picture of a lamp. When the third picture is completed, a picture of a cat is made. Can we show two similar parts in all the pictures in the same way? Let's check it out. Here are few pictures: a caterpillar, a cup, and a flag. If we try to divide these pictures into two similar parts in this way, we do not get two similar parts. Example. Observe the pictures given here. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? Let's find out. Solution. A dotted line divides each of these figures in two parts. If you observe carefully, you will find that in the first figure, if a mirror is placed on the dotted line, both the parts look exactly the same. But in the second triangle, if we place a mirror on the dotted line, we do not get two similar parts. In third figures, if a mirror is placed in the dotted line, we get two exactly similar parts. In the fourth figure, we do not get two similar parts if a mirror is placed on the dotted line. In fifth and sixth figures, if a mirror is placed on the dotted line, we get two exactly same halves. In seventh figure, if a mirror is placed on the dotted line, we get two exactly same halves. Whereas in 8th figure, the dotted line does not divide them into two exactly same parts, and also in the mirror they do not look the same. Self-study. Example. Using the dotted lines, can you divide the given pictures into two similar halves? Solution. Come on, let's see what type of dotted line, that is vertical standing line, horizontal sleeping line, or slanting line, we need to draw to get two exactly same parts. Look, in the picture of a comb, if we draw a standing dotted line, we get two similar parts. If in the digit 8, horizontal, in the picture of a button, any one of horizontal or vertical line, in the crown vertical, in the bell vertical, in the spectacles vertical, and in the bag vertical lines are drawn, then both the parts will be similar. While in the pictures of kettle, spanner, and umbrella, even if we draw any of the horizontal, vertical, or slanting line, they will not be divided into two exactly same parts. Self-study. Example. Here, the halves of the few letters are given. Guess these letters from their halves. Solution. If we complete the first letter, we get A. If the second letter is completed, letter C is formed. The third letter, when completed, is H. The fourth one, on completion, gives U. The fifth letter, when completed, will give B. And if the sixth letter is completed, we get K. Self-study. Activity. Making a mask. Now, I will teach you to make a mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper, fold it in the middle. Draw the figure on one side of the paper. Cut it using a pair of scissors. Now, open the fold and draw eyes, nose, etc. in the figure. Color the picture and tie a rubber band at the back side. Your mask is ready. Self-study. What we have learned? Learned to look at things from different sides. Learned different patterns with the help of dots. Gain an understanding of half part using dotted line.